you looking to make your life with chickens a little easier? Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI, and this poultry feeder and waterer has made my daily care routine for my chickens an absolute breeze. The thing I love most about it is the convenience. I only have 4 young chickens, but I was feeding them and watering them every day and night, and now I do it maybe twice a week. These work so well. The automatic water dispenser comes with your choice of cups or nipples. It also comes with a valve and a kit that you can hook it up to your own hose so you never have to fill your water again. These were easy to set up, the instructions were easy to read and follow, and then I simply filled them with food and water and set them in the chicken run. I've had these for about a month, and honestly, I don't want to think about chicken life without them. I'm very impressed by how durable they are. My chickens are young, moody, and destructive, but this feeder and waterer has withstood all of the abuse that my broody bunch has put it through. This set has made things so much easier. I think you're going to love it too, and that's my point of view.